Well, I found out why the Civic is stuck so bad. We can't get it pulled out of the ditch. I ended up, when I went in, I ran over the fucking, or Civic number sign. You see the sign down there? It's jammed in the bottom of my red, holding the car from fucking moving backwards. Yeah. The old signpost down there. How the fuck am I gonna get the fucking car off that signpost? Fuck boys. First real snow of the year and I got the Civic stuck in the ditch already fucking in the front yard. Pretty mint. Pretty mint. There's the house, just chilling. Tried to come fucking from the front of the yard here, rip out. Yeah, I guess this is what happens when you fucking tow the Civic out of the ditch with a four-wheeler yanking on it. Rip the red support right off the fucking car, pretty much. Should be a good project now. Fuck yeah, boys. Good times. That's fucking awesome. Man. Well, I got the red support all jacked up, kind of half twisted back and up against the old frame rail. Just gotta get the fucking old welder out. Weld a bunch of shit. Pretty mint, boys. Gotta fix up the old girl and she'll be good as new. The old ratchet strap. Using that to suck the bumper into the front of the car. And I have to get this piece bent back down once I weld this upper piece on. Fuck yeah, she's a project. Well, fuck, you barely even know she got fucking wrecked. She's a tank, boys. And my old blob job welds. Fuck yeah, boys. Welder all fucking solid. Fuck yeah, let's see that fucking come off now. I have to fucking weld a piece of angle or something across the bottom here. I like to put fucking angle across here and then a little piece up the sides. Kind of help the red support out a little bit, keep it from fucking bending all the shit. It's not looking bad though, boys. Gonna throw the fucking headlights back in it, put the bumper back on it, and fucking she'd be good to drive to work tomorrow. Fuck yeah, nobody'll even know that she had her fucking face ripped off. Fuck yeah. Well, we got the Civic all back together. A couple more sheet metal screws than I had before. But fuck it. She's back. One headlight's a little bit darker than the other. One's black and the other one's fucking clear. Oh well, good enough for the girls down east. Should have put both of them in, but fuck it. Don't really give a fuck. She's mint, boys. Gonna send her again.